This again is the two spaceflight participants closing hatches along with the Soyuz commander Alexander Misurkin. That there, Yuzo Hirano saying goodbye to Anton Shkaplerov, the Expedition 66 commander. And all three crew members there waving goodbye to their short-term crewmates.
SSVP mode is no longer illuminated, and we confirm physical separation. Combined GSO and GSO 1 and 2 are there.
Проконтролируйте отсутствие посторонних предметов на поверхности стыка.
Проконтролировал. Дмитрий Васильевич, Дмитрий, I monitored.
Принято.
Через минуту 30 ожидаем первый импульс на отвод. We are standing by for the first separation burn.
Ожидаю первый импульс на отвод.
I am standing by for the first burn, separation burn, and that's where the работа comes up.
Работа ДПО 8 секунд.
Operation depot of thruster firing confirmed, and we confirm the maneuver.
Goodbye station. Yeah, goodbye station. Hope to see you soon again. Выполнили разворот.
We are done with the maneuver.
Принято, наблюдаем.
Copy, we see that.
Через 40 секунд ожидаем.
And in 40
второй
seconds,
импульс на отвод.
I'm standing by for the second separation burn. Copy.
Есть работа ДПО.
Thruster firing
Принято,
confirmed.
есть работа ДПО.
Работа ДПО погасла.
Thruster firing is no longer illuminated.
Принято.
We are done with this burn.
Принято.
I'm turning off the floodlight.
Фара отключена.
The floodlight is
Принято.
no longer on.
Убираем руль в транспортное положение.
And we are putting the translation and rotational hand controls in the transport position. Affirmative.
Anyway, yeah. Please hold. Put it back to transportation position.
Back.
Yes.
Okay.
Проверяю параметры КДУ.
And we are checking unintelligible KDU.
Okay, and we are now receiving that the recovery crews are with the Soyuz. They arrived at 9:33 p.m. Central Time on site, the landing site, and the crew is feeling good. The descent module is vertical. May not get a final landing, exact landing time, but it was scheduled for 9:13 p.m. Central Time. And once again, we do have confirmation now that the recovery teams are with the Syous. It did land upright in its nominal position. There is possible for it to land on its side, and that's not a problem. But this will hopefully speed recovery efforts along a little bit. Again, the recovery crews and those Mi-8 helicopters and the all-terrain vehicles have made it to the Soyuz's landing site and should now be working on extracting the crew from their Soyuz vehicle. Again, wrapping up 12 days in space, 189 orbits, and 4.6 million miles that Alexander Misurkin, Saku Mizawa, and Yozo Hirano have traveled in the course of their flight.
Pull that up. And we can unbuckle that and here. They're all covered with soup. From space. Be careful. Then. Oh, great. Excellent. Let's help him get over to this side. Also get some clothes from the other vehicle. Okay, and let's get Dima Ivanov.
The Soyuz MS-20 crew spent a total of 12 days in space, 12 days on the space station, and during that time made 189 orbits, traveling 4.6 million miles. Led by Soyuz Commander Alexander Misurkin, who was making his third trip to space. He is wrapping up this trip with 346 days spent in space. And then our spaceflight participants Yozo Hirano and Yusuke Mizawa, who, of course, are finishing their first space flight and have now a total of 12 days in space.